How's it going, guys? Genesis Crypto here, and today we have a video on when is the best time to buy Bitcoin. And I'm going to be telling you guys through analysis, through indications of the chart of Bitcoin on when is the best time to buy Bitcoin in my opinion. Now, first I want to comment really quickly on the video that I made before this video. I said, here's why. Let me scroll down a little bit so you guys can see. Here's why right now is a good time to sell Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people dislike this video, and I'm pretty sure they didn't watch the entire 10-minute long video, and they just saw the title and they said, okay, well, oh my god, sell Bitcoin, that's crazy, this, that. Guys, it was a short analysis video. I said it on the video, and it was just because of the analysis that I saw. And guess what, guys? I was right. My prediction was right. Bitcoin was at $8,500 at the time that I made this video. And guess what, guys? Today is a new day. We are in the next day, and it's already down to $7,576, guys, which means I was right. If you were to have done what I told you and sold Bitcoin at that point, you could have rebought Bitcoin at this pricing right now, or maybe even lower. And that's why we're going to be talking about when is the best time to buy Bitcoin. All right, guys. So let's get right into it. Now, we are in this chart right over here, and we have a couple analysis indicators that we are using right now. We are using the EMAs, which is these two lines right over here. One of them is a 13 close, which is the pink line, and then the other one is a 34 close, which is the blue line. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, literally just go to tradingview.com, and right over here in indicators, you could click the indicator area here, and you could search up the indicators that I'm talking about. So you could just be like, okay, he just talked about EMA, so let me look for EMA. Oh, okay, here's the EMA. You know what I mean? Moving average, blah blah blah, right? But I can't add any more indicators because, you know, I don't have the subscribed version of TradingView. But anyways, guys, I have the two EMAs, right? So what does this mean? First, let's talk about the EMAs, right? So the EMAs are pretty much showing me when it could possibly be the best time to buy or sell Bitcoin. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, when the line, when this red pinkish kind of line goes above the blue line, right, that shows me that maybe it is a good time to sell out of Bitcoin. All right, so when it's up, it might be a good time to sell. And a lot of times it's actually pretty good with its predictions, because look, right over here, as you can see, it went higher than the blue line, and guess what? Bitcoin crashed right after, right? So, and then when it went down right over here, it's a pretty good indication. But then we're going to look at this, guys. See, if you were to have, for example, bought right over here, because when the pink red line is below the blue line, it shows a good indication for buying. But as you guys can clearly see, this right over here, this area right here, if you were to have bought, which is below the blue line, well, guess what? It's going even down there. And here's the problem with the whole EMA kind of stuff. As a matter of fact, it's a problem in general for reading charts in general. Nobody could calculate how far down it's going to go. We could only know it's going down, but we can never know how far down. It doesn't matter how many analysis. I could throw the whole entire chart with line after line after line. Oh, look, let me draw a little fancy line right over here, guys. Look, oh my god, you see this part right here? Well, guess what, guys? Look, it's hitting here and it's hitting here, and guess what? Oh my god, exponential growth. Come on, come on. Oh wait, hold up, I got you guys, hold up. But what about here? And then what? Here? Oh wait, here, and then here, and here, and here. Oh my god, a decrease. We have the death cross in our hands. You get what I mean? Like, I don't need to show you guys all of that. I'm going to show you guys indicators that are pretty dang good. Okay? So, obviously, we can never, and I'm not going to lie to you guys, you know, that's why I'm telling you guys as honest as possible. We can never tell how low it's going to go. Honestly, that's as experience at that point, right? At experience and seeing the margins. Like, for example, if it went up right over here, right, and it's saying, okay, it's a good time to sell your Bitcoin, so you should sell Bitcoin right over here at 8,500, which is around the same time that I told you guys to sell Bitcoin. But anyways, so you sell your Bitcoin right here, right, and then you see it going down, right? So it doesn't go down by much. So that's another good indication of maybe I shouldn't buy back into Bitcoin if I sold recently. And I don't mean recently as in like, oh, I sold 30 minutes ago, so I shouldn't sell right now. No, like as long as it crashes hard. then you should buy back, right? So let's see, 8,501, and then the price difference is 8,501 to 8,205, and the indicator is telling us, okay, good time to sell, good time to buy, right? But it's not a big difference, guys. It really isn't. You're selling from here and you're buying from here, but it's not a big difference. You're gonna want a bigger difference. So I would have waited, and I think you guys should wait and follow what I'm saying right now. Do what you want. At the end of the day, this is just a video, right? But as you guys can see, if you would have waited, then guess what? It would have gone down. And honestly, I would have bought probably, I would want to say I would have bought instinctively using my emotions, my human emotions, probably right here, to be honest. Here, maybe over here, I would have bought. And then I see this like big candle right over here, but that wouldn't have, actually wait, 7,800 to, yeah, that wouldn't have made me sell, sell the Bitcoin that I bought, right? So I would have probably bought right over here, but this is still a good area to buy at. However, I would not have, because I would have looked at the other indicator that I'm going to be showing you guys, by the way, right? Now, really quickly, you guys can see right over here, a good time to buy Bitcoin is whenever this line is below. Like I said, there's no way to know how far it's going to go down. However, a good indicator is if the line is very far away from the blue line, as you guys can see right over here. See, like for example, this it's very close to the blue line, right? But it's under the blue line, so you might be like, okay, well maybe it's a good time to buy. No, guys, it's too close to the blue line. You gotta wait for a big gap, like so, right? Or an even bigger gap. And if you guys see the line just kind of trending, going down, 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 you still don't want to buy. You want to wait for that whole trend. Okay, so wait for the trend, and then maybe if you see it going up a little bit like that, okay, maybe it would be a good time to start buying, right? So, like I said, guys, it's mainly through experience at that point, but it's a very great indicator. It is a great way to be able to see when is the best time to buy. However, I have another way, all right? It is called the RSI. Now, the RSI is this right over here in the bottom of me, right over here. Okay, and then you're gonna see this pink highlight. See that pink highlight? That's gonna be the area that you're not looking at. You're gonna look at the areas that is out of the pink line, the pink highlight, right? For example, right over here. As you guys can see, right, it'll scroll in right over here. Okay, see this area right over here where it peaks out of the pink highlight? That means people overbought. As you guys can see, this big pink candle right here, people overbought. Usually when the area goes out of the pink highlight, that shows that there's probably going to be a turnover. It's probably going to go, since there was a lot of people buying, guess what? It's going to turn over. The charts are going to turn over, and then people are going to start selling, which is exactly what happened. As you guys can see, it started crashing down, 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 bam. And look at that. Now, right over here, when it goes down away from the pink highlight, but this time in the bottom, guess what that means? It means people are overselling, which is a good indication, as you guys can clearly see right over here. See these candles starting to go up, 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 up. It is a good indication that the market is going to change and it's going to go higher. The price of Bitcoin is going to go higher. As you guys can see, 8,100, 8,300, right? Right over here, people oversold, actually more than over here. And guess what? It went back up right over there, right? So right now, it seems like it's going to be starting to go back down. And once we see another oversell, I guarantee you guys, that would be probably a very great time to start buying Bitcoin, right? I think it's going to go a little more downer. I think the Bitcoin price right now at 7,588, I think it's going to go downer. As a matter of fact, I have another area right over here, technical analysis summary. Let's refresh the page really quickly. You see where it says selling? It's not a strong sell, but it is selling right now. Oh, now it's a strong sell. You see how quickly like the markets change? Everything's so volatile, but that's the beautiful crypto world that we need to start loving, right? So it is a strong sell right now. So yes, it is a great indicator. This right here, it's at tradingview.com/symbol/BTC/USD. This indicator I really like, and also the indicators that I just finished talking to you guys about. There was 2 oversells right here. The pink line is below the blue line for quite some time now, as you guys can see, which is a great moment to be able to see. Okay, that shows you quite a lot. I think it's gonna go a little more down, and then once it goes downer, that would have been the best time to buy, guys. So if you guys want to follow this, I do suggest to buy Bitcoin either right now or wait it out just a little more and see what happens. Maybe it'll go drop down to 7,300, 7,000 or so, and then it'll start going back up, because when people oversell, like I said, guys, it's definitely a great point, a great turning point, and then it'll start, you know, the Bitcoin's price is going to start rising, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do daily cryptocurrency videos, guys, so make sure you guys subscribe. I have passive income ways that I use myself in the description below, so make sure you guys benefit from that, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Take care.